Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a very different video than what I usually do. In this particular video, as you've seen the title, I'm going to be mixing all my acrylic paint colors together and combine them to make one color. For more awesome and creative videos, please subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So starting with our video, mixing all my acrylic paints together. First, what I'm doing is getting a white plain construction paper and obviously some acrylic paints. So on this particular video, I did like two parts, but it's on the same video. I'm going to do acrylic paints, and the other part I'm going to do washable paints, just to make this video a little bit more fun and creative. So as you are seeing right now, I'm taking my acrylic paints first. So obviously I'm going to take one paint at a time and adding it on the white construction paper just to make like a little design. I know some of you guys already seen some of these videos, like mixing all my nail polishes or mixing like my makeup or anything. So I wanted to make this video too, but instead I'm doing it with paint, acrylic paint and washable paint. And as you are seeing right now, on the top of the in the corner of the construction paper, I wrote acrylic paint. So this is gonna be the acrylic paint, and I'm taking a paintbrush and mixing the colors like really smoothly. So as you can see, the paint that we did with acrylic paint, it turned out as like a purplish color, because you can't really see it on camera or on the video how the color is. And for the washable, as I'm doing right now, I'm taking, I have like 5 paint, like bottle of paint. So I mixed the washable paint. So I don't really know what happened here, or probably because I added too much like blue paint and the whole like paint or design came out like this. So I don't really know what the case of this was. I don't know if I added a lot of blue or I didn't add enough of the other color paints. And then from this, I'm just being creative. I'm trying to add more acrylic paints, but in different colors, and trying to figure out like what's the case of mixing like different colors instead of like primary colors. And when I am completely done with like mixing all the washable color paints, I'm getting my paintbrush and scribbling the 2 acrylic paints parts that I did and the other part of the washable paint. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more awesome videos. Bye.